Capital One Venture X app. The pros, the cons. The Capital One Venture X has shaken up the premium travel card market, offering luxury level perks at a surprisingly reasonable price. But is it really as good as people say? Let's explore the pros and cons of the Capital One Venture X app. Starting with the pros, this card gives you 10 miles per dollar on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 miles per dollar on flights, and 2 miles on everything else. That's a powerful earning structure for frequent travelers. You'll also get 75 bonus miles after meeting the minimum spend worth about in travel, plus an annual credit for bookings through Capital One Travel. That alone covers most of the annual fee. One of the standout features is lounge access. Venture X cardholders enjoy unlimited entry to Capital One lounges, Priority Pass lounges, and Plaza Premium lounges worldwide, a rare perk at this price point. Other pros include 10 bonus miles each year on your account anniversary, no foreign transaction fees, and comprehensive travel insurance including trip cancellation and rental car coverage. Now for the cons. To get full value, you need to use the travel credit through Capital One's booking portal, which may not always have the lowest rates. Also, while the fee is lower than competitors like the Amex Platinum, is still significant for casual travelers. So, is the Venture X worth it? If you travel frequently and value comfort, perks, and premium flexibility, this card is an outstanding deal. But if you rarely leave the country, the benefits might go unused. The surprising truth? The Venture X delivers luxury travel value at a fraction of the usual cost, proving that premium doesn't have to mean overpriced.